a path to resilience and transformation. When calamities strike, they bring more than destruction, they unveil the hidden truths of life. They force us to confront our vulnerability, our strength, and the real essence of humanity. While disasters shatter the physical world around us, they also ignite a fire within, compelling us to rise stronger, more unified, and deeply connected to our purpose. 1. The moment of truth. Disasters strip life to its bare essentials. The material possessions we once held dear, the routines we thought unshakable, and the ambitions we tirelessly chased all dissolve in the face of catastrophe. What remains is the undeniable reality of our fragility and the enduring strength of the human spirit. It's in these moments that we rediscover what truly matters: connection, empathy, and the resilience of the soul. 2. Rising from the ashes, a fire destroys everything in its path, but it also clears the way for new life to emerge. Similarly, calamities test our resilience. These moments demand not only survival but reinvention. The greatest leaders and visionaries were often forged in the furnace of hardship. When everything seems lost, it is our willpower that rebuilds bridges, homes, and dreams. 3. Unity in adversity. In times of disaster, humanity's true essence is revealed. Strangers become lifelines, communities unite, and compassion flourishes. This unity, often seen in the face of devastating wildfires or natural disasters, reminds us of a universal truth: we are stronger together. The most profound stories of heroism come not from individual achievements but from collective efforts to save, protect, and rebuild. 4. Simplicity and spiritual strength. Disasters remind us that life's greatest treasures aren't found in wealth or possessions but in moments of clarity, connection, and inner peace. When stripped of distractions, we confront the question, what do we live for? The answer often lies not in what we have, but in who we are and how we connect with others. 5. Resilience, the human superpower. Every fire, storm, or flood challenges us, but it also teaches us that we possess a profound ability to rebuild and grow. This resilience isn't just about returning to what was, but envisioning what could be. Each act of recovery is a testament to our strength and creativity, proving that adversity can be the birthplace of innovation and hope. 6. Helping others. The ultimate fulfillment, the essence of humanity, shines brightest when we extend a hand to those in need. It is in giving, not receiving, that we truly find purpose. Helping others rebuild their lives, offering comfort, or simply standing by their side in trying times provides a profound sense of fulfillment and strengthens the bonds that tie us all together.
Rebuilding Hoppy. As the flames of wildfires fade and the ashes settle, we are left with the question, what now? Will we merely rebuild what was lost, or will we create something better, something stronger, more meaningful, and more enduring? The choice is ours. Closing thought: catastrophes are not the end, but a powerful new beginning. They strip us down to our core, forcing us to rediscover our humanity, courage, and vision. Let us not see them as mere destruction, but as an opportunity to transform ourselves and the world around us. When everything you value is gone, what is left within you that can light the way forward? What legacy will you build from the ashes?